Let me show you how to use home screen widgets on Samsung Galaxy S25. But first, let's start by how to actually add a widget. So what you need to do is simply press and hold your finger on an empty space in the home screen, and then at the bottom you will find widget. Over here at the top you will find some example widgets that you can add, or you can scroll through different apps that have widgets added. So for example, we're gonna go to reminder, and let's say we're gonna use this perhaps this widget over here, 2x1 size. I can press and hold my finger, and then I can drag and drop it anywhere I wish to. And I can also, in some cases, I can also resize the widget as well. But that is only in some cases, by grabbing by these corners and then extending the size like this. Now, if we tap outside, then of course it is done, the widget is added. If you want to remove it, you can press and hold your finger, and then we have remove option here. And besides that, you can press and hold your finger in order to still customize the widget, and you can move it around. So for example, press and hold and then start dragging it to change the position. And you can also create a stack. And what is a stack? It's pretty much multiple different widgets in one place. So if I press and hold my finger on this widget and I press create stack, then I can choose another widget that will be used in the same spot. And what is important over here is that the widget size should be the same. So if I have added 2x1 widget, then over here I can only add another 2x1 widget. So for example, in notes, I have this widget over here, so I can add it as well. And now, as you can see, I can swipe between different widgets. Of course, I can still add more apps, more widgets. I can press edit stack now in order to find another plus button. So let's say we're gonna go to camera and we're gonna choose this one, and so on and so forth. So here we can add multiple different widgets, as you can see. In order to edit them, of course, we need to go back to edit stack, and we can just remove these stacks. And that is essentially it. This is everything you need to know. These are all essentials for widgets in the home screen on S25. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.